Satsumas in airtight containers from Zhejiang Foam Dust Company. Since the late 1990s, they've been arguably the American favorite mandarin oranges. You will find them in American supermarkets, schools, and hospitals. But the U.S. government plans to impose a 25% tariff on Satsumas. Zhejiang Foam Dust president just returned from the U.S. public hearing about this.
Our
products account for over 95% of the mandarin oranges in the American market. It's nearly impossible to find a replacement in a short period of time.
After careful consideration, she decided to hire a senior American lawyer to represent the company at the hearing.
We are not very familiar with American laws and regulations. An American attorney is better experienced in this regard.
After testimony from scores of Chinese companies, most called their products irreplaceable. They stressed that the tariffs will raise costs and increase burdens on American consumers. The companies say most products in question are not of strategic significance and that the imposition of tariffs will not contribute to the goals stated in the U.S. investigation. Associate Professor Yi Bo from Southeastern University participated in the last 3 hearings.
因为第一次听证会的时候，只有一家中国企业出席。
Compared with the previous 2 public hearings, which had only 1 Chinese company each time, this time 6 Chinese companies were in attendance. They all came prepared and played up their products a lot.
He says attending the public hearing doesn't guarantee a good result for these Chinese exporters. But as the saying goes, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. As more Chinese companies go global, it's paramount for them to keep improving their core competitiveness. It's also incumbent upon them to study differences in various legal systems so that they can be perceived in a positive light in front of juries and judges. Many American businesses also voiced objections on the proposed additional tariffs. He says Chinese companies can learn from the American court appealing process.
就可以先从一个故事讲起。那么接下来的话就是说，你要具体。
You can start by telling a warm, fuzzy human story about the company and the products. Then you can elaborate the detailed reason on why your products need to be exempted from the list.
She says Chinese company representatives will have to wait 4 to 6 weeks for the final result. They are not sure when the trade tensions will subside, but they hope the high-quality products can be enjoyed by Americans and other world consumers. Wu Lei, CGTN, Shaoxing City in Zhejiang Province.